Welcome back to another video, Coffin Girls. So today I wanted to show a little mini haul that I got. I went to one of my local little nail supply stores. Now this is such a cute little store. It's actually in the middle of a flea market type of booth type of setup. And they've really grown. They started off just having Mia Secrets and like a little like acrylic and acrylic tips. Now they're actually expanding into a lot of the art that goes with it. So this is pretty cool. I landed some pretty cute little things. Now this to me is just like a little mini haul. I literally spent like 30 bucks and got all the stuff. I really like this plate. I ordered some hollow. I don't even think it's hollow. I ordered some of those little fire stickers that everybody got, you know, when the whole fire thing was trending real nice. And I actually got something completely different in the mail. And then I ordered another set of them, and, you know, they're coming from another country, and, you know, just the mailing time frame is like forever. And I don't, like, they might be in my mail now. I think they were supposed to show up this week, but girl, it's been so long. I feel like I ain't never gonna get them. So I saw this, and what better way to do fire than to actually do the stamps. So I'm gonna play with these in a video and see what y'all think. See what I think. I think they're really cute. And then I got all these little spangles and, you know, sparkles. That to me is like a little carnival color. You know, it just has like several colors. And I really love it. I did get the little flowers, which these are so super cute. Like, I love these. I can't wait to play with them. So I'm pretty sure they'll be in a video coming probably pretty soon. I'd probably say the next couple weeks. I'm trying to get a lot of videos edited right now. So I haven't done any videos on this stuff yet, but it will be coming soon. Now this is the phone number and the actual location of the little booth that I was telling you guys about. They are such sweet people. And then they are starting to do their own mixes of glitter, which is fantastic. When I went in, they had all these little pots of glitter open. And I just couldn't even, like, I literally lost my breath. Like, their hollow is truly hollow, and it is every color under the sun. Now, I only got 2 colors of hollow, you know, because I didn't want to overkill the first trip. But I got, that one is a beautiful red, and then this one is a rose gold. In the video, it looks more like gold, but in person, it has more of a rose color to it. Now, it is pretty gold. It has more of a gold than a rose, but it is still absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I mean, it is crazy how just glittery this is. Like, I can't even imagine doing a full nail of that. Like, it's just going to be amazing. And that's just with me dipping my finger into it. Look at that. That's like crazy. It is just going off. Sparkly, sparkly. Which I don't know if you guys can see it. And then I just made it ring gold. Yeah. And then I've been wanting some of these. These are really cute. They're just tiny little, you know, the little fashion brands, and I've been wanting to do a couple nails with them, so I'm going to do a couple of videos with these. And these are super cute too, which again, I ordered these online and I have yet to get them. It's been, you know, 3 or 4 weeks since I ordered them. And I haven't gotten them, so I was like, this is pretty cheap. I think the little brands were like $1.99 if I'm not mistaken. A couple of the glitters were $1.99, the little packages, and then a couple of them were $1.50. That was $4.99. And then the little pots of glitter were, I think they were $4.99 or $5.99. which could be seen as expensive, but it could also be seen as a good price. Here locally, if you buy it, about $5 for a pot of glitter is not too bad. And again, I only spent like $30.23. So I'm actually really pleased with this little haul. And I can't wait to do some things with it. You know, I've been wanting to do a few more like Valentine vibes. So this is going to be perfect for it. And then, you know, so thank you guys so much for watching, and look forward to some of the videos that will definitely have these to show. And be sure and like and subscribe and click that notification bell. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.